Hello everyone, welcome to Noble Architects Consult. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add doors and windows to your model. First of all, what you need to do is to download it. There are some free websites to download SketchUp libraries, like 3D Warehouse. You can get it right there. When you've downloaded it, the next step for you to take is to click on File, Import, then select the folder. Let's use this door for now. Click on it, Import, then place it at the door opening. Don't mind the scale, you can as well adjust it. Click on Scale and adjust it to fit in. For the window, you still repeat that same method. But please, before we continue, like this video so it can get to more people, and also subscribe to our channel because this is the best channel that will optimize your design skills. We share tips and tricks for efficient modeling, visualization, rendering and animations. Most importantly, it is the best channel to share your ideas, ask questions and get response from different professionals. Get a step-by-step guide on how to improve your design skills from scratch to pro without spending money. Subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification to get more interesting videos daily. Okay, we'll add the window right now. Click on Import. Okay, let's go with this. Click on Import. Just place it there. The same method you used for the door is what we'll use here, right? Adjust it. As you can see, the window is not that cool. It doesn't fit in correctly, like the dimensions. At this point, you can create your own windows, even the door. You can model your own window on SketchUp and be using it. I will leave a link on the description section to show you how to model a window for your design. When you are done, you can select and copy it. Move in the Control key and copy it to this other opening. That's how to add doors and windows to your SketchUp model. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel and hit the notification button to get notified each time we post an interesting video like this. If you have any question or contribution, you drop it on the comment section below. Please like and share this video for others to benefit from it. Thank you. See you in our next class.